I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting an apartment at close to Zhongshan MRT, and it is a co-living space. And there are 3 bedrooms, 2 are shared space, and 1 is a single room. And let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the front door, the gate. We walk into this co-living space, and there's a big living room. Like the whole space is like there's a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, and back balconies over there. Some storages, shelves right here, and there are 3 rooms. 1, 2, and 3. Here's a common bathroom, and there's a private bathroom for that shared room. So let's start from the living area. So there's a big couch, and I really like the design of this co-living space. There are a few couches, coffee table, a TV, Wi-Fi, cable, and there's a clock, and a window AC. And right here is the front balcony with a hangout. You can chill, have a coffee, or drink right here, and the sunlight is awesome. From this angle, you can get to see the place. And here's the dining table of 5 people. Let's start from the first room. It is a shared bedroom with 3 beds, 3 single beds. So each bed has a single bed and a closet, open wardrobe, some storage space for yourself, and 1 table, and also good sunlight, big windows. Right here also, this one has its own set, a table of its own, and shelves, bookshelves, open wardrobe over here. Alright, so this is the room, and here's the common bathroom. It's a Western style. You can have, there's a separation so you don't get this area wet. There's the sink and the shower, and there's a window. Really great. Let's check out the other room. Yeah, this is also a shared bedroom with 3 beds. Also, for each bed there's a single bed and a desk and chair, some bookshelves, open wardrobe over here, and a open wardrobe for these 2 rooms, these 2 beds. I mean, there are big windows, one over here, one over there, and a shared table. For this room, there's a private bathroom. There's a bathtub. It's pretty cool. Right. And toilet. On top is the window. Let's go check out the kitchen. And here is the locker for the share rooms, 10 guests, and you can put the oil, the cooking oil, everything here. Here's the kitchen. So the full kitchen and the fridge. Right here is the oven and the microwave, kettle and rice maker, freezer and fridge, and sink, and 2 stoves and stove fan. Right here is where you put your trash bin, and recycle bin, and over there is the washer. Right here are some shelves. Awesome. Yeah, this is the space. Thank you.